GoPro quick version 1161.10087. GoPro app version 1.50. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the camera and we need to go to the main screen, and now we're going to go live stream on YouTube. We open up YouTube. It's going to take a couple of seconds. This needs to be changed to 161, and now we're able to go here, hit live stream. Got it. Go live, and we're streaming. Now it's going to take a few minutes to stream, maybe 30 seconds or so. As you can see, let's open up, go to live, and we need to change a couple of things in our area, and we are streaming live. As you can see over here on the window, we have a little delay, and we are streaming. We are in 40 seconds. Now we can go and view our stream in our area, and we are streaming live. We have to shut down that volume. As you can see over here on the window. Now the funny thing with a phone, it doesn't have a mute button over here. So now when I'm all finished, I have to raise my volume back up. So thank you to GoPro for fixing the live stream 7-8 months later. Thank you.